Hello everyone, today we're comparing two tools from the same ecosystem, Dreamflow and FlutterFlow, both using AI to help you build apps faster, but they're very different in how they work and who they are best for. Let's break it down. So Dreamflow is the new AI-first app builder built from makers of FlutterFlow. It's designed around natural language prompts. You describe your app in plain English and it generates a real Flutter app with UI, navigation, logic scaffolding, responsive design based on that prompt. Its standout feature is tri-surface development. You can switch seamlessly between AI prompts, visual editing, and full code editing, all synced together, with the AI helping generate and refine real deployable Flutter code. Some of its pros include being the fastest way to go from idea to working app skeleton with natural language, real Flutter code that you can modify and export, no vendor lock-in, and built-in back-end integrations, Firebase, Supabase, responsive layouts, and multi-platform support. However, AI output can be imperfect or generic. UI buttons may need cleanup or editing, and is still evolving. Advanced app logic and detailed custom behavior often require manual tweaks, and AI credits or tokens may be consumed quickly for complex apps. Use Dreamflow if your main goal is rapid prototyping and idea validation. Getting a handful of screens and basic flows in minutes is its strong suit. FlutterFlow is a mature visual low-code, no-code platform for building production-ready apps. You drag and drop components, visually configure logic, connect to backends like Firebase, Supabase, and APIs, and publish apps for web and mobile, all in a browser UI. It also has AI features built in, like prompt to component and prompt to page, plus integration helpers and smart design suggestions. But the core workflow is developer designer controlled visual building. Some of its pros: full control over layout, logic, and integrations. Excellent for complex, polished apps. Visual UI Builder means you can fine tune exactly how your app looks and behaves, and strong ecosystem, ready UI components, data flows, backend connectors, and responsive testing. However, its visual and drag workflows take longer than AI just might generate it for you. AI features are helpful but not central. They assist rather than replace manual work, and it has a slight learning curve if you want deep control over actions and data logic. Use FlutterFlow when you want full customization, robust backend logic, and production-ready apps that you can fine-tune without relying solely on AI. So which one wins? Here's the simple takeaway. Dreamflow wins if you want AI first speed. You're building concepts, prototypes, or MVPs and want an app fast from text, and you don't want to start with design panels. You just describe and generate. FlutterFlow wins if you need precision and control over every component and logic flow. You're building apps and plan to scale to production, and you want deep backend integrations, data flow, and visual editing. In many cases, builders use both. Dreamflow for quick scaffolding, then refine and finish in FlutterFlow for stability and polish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.